Modern Japanese House Architecture Style 2023. Welcome to my YouTube channel showcasing the cutting-edge architecture style of modern Japanese houses in 2023. Join us as we explore the stunning designs, innovative features, and minimalist aesthetics that define contemporary Japanese residential architecture. From sleek lines to harmonious integration with nature, these houses exemplify the perfect blend of functionality and beauty. In this video, we take you on a virtual tour of some of the most captivating modern Japanese houses currently shaping the architectural landscape. Marvel at the skillful use of natural materials like wood, stone, and glass, creating an ambience of tranquility and serenity. Witness the seamless incorporation of traditional Japanese elements, such as shoji screens and tatami mats, into contemporary living spaces. Our expert hosts will guide you through the interior spaces, highlighting the open floor plans, minimalistic furniture, and clever storage solutions that maximize space efficiency. Experience the interplay of light and shadow, as expansive windows and skylights invite ample natural light into these architectural marvels. Outside, we explore the thoughtfully designed gardens and outdoor areas that blur the boundaries between indoor and outdoor living. Discover how traditional Japanese landscaping principles, including stone pathways, koi ponds, and zen gardens, create serene retreats for relaxation and reflection. Whether you're an architecture enthusiast, a homeowner seeking inspiration, or simply curious about the latest trends in Japanese house design, this video is sure to captivate your imagination. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of modern Japanese house architecture and embark on a journey of aesthetic elegance and contemporary living. We invite you to witness the awe-inspiring beauty and innovation found in the latest architectural creations. Immerse yourself in the harmony of clean lines, minimalist aesthetics, and an emphasis on functionality that characterizes modern Japanese house design. Experience the seamless integration of indoor and outdoor spaces, where nature becomes an integral part of the living environment. Discover the use of natural materials like wood, stone, and bamboo, which imbue the houses with a sense of warmth and tranquility. Our expert guides will take you through the interior spaces, highlighting the ingenious use of space-saving techniques, intelligent storage solutions, and ergonomic layouts that optimize the living experience. Marvel at the fusion of traditional Japanese craftsmanship with modern technology, creating a harmonious blend of heritage and innovation. As we venture outside, you'll be captivated by the meticulously designed gardens, courtyards, and terraces that provide serene retreats for relaxation and contemplation. Witness the balance between Zen-inspired simplicity and the inclusion of vibrant greenery, water features, and natural textures. Whether you're an architecture enthusiast, a homeowner planning your dream house, or simply curious about the captivating world of modern Japanese design, this video is a must-watch. Prepare to be inspired by the elegance, functionality, and serenity of modern Japanese house architecture in 2023. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and join our community of design enthusiasts. Stay tuned for more captivating videos where we explore the latest architectural trends and showcase the best examples of modern Japanese house design. Get ready to embark on a visual adventure that will forever change the way you perceive residential architecture.